Get back in the truck. Stay in the truck. Stay in the truck.
Excuse me, sir. Mama! I'm a minor. Mama! She's in there.
Move your
Mama!
leg. Move your leg.
Mama! What are you
Shut
doing?
your mouth, dude.
Bro, I'll record this.
Charlie 30, 1059.
I'm about to snap all of this, bro.
Sure, 30.
6400 East 9th Street, white Ford F-150, paper tag.
Mama! I'm calling my mother.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Okay.
Get your hands off me before my mom comes out here and you up. She's gonna call the cops. There's a camera right there in my window. In my window. You are being
Give me your
recorded.
other hand.
You are being recorded.
Give me your other
You
hand.
are being recorded, sir.
Give me your other hand.
Window.
Give me your other hand.
Here, you hit me. I'm 17 years old.
Okay.
You hit me.
I don't care how old you are.
Mama! I'm not throwing them at you. I'm throwing them at my mom's window.
Be throwing.
Stop.
Give me your other hand
Stop.
behind your back.
Stop.
Give me your hand
Stop.
behind your back.
Stop, sir. Please stop.
Give me your hand behind
Please
your back.
stop.
I'm gonna pepper spray you.
I love that.
Give me your hand behind your back. There we go.
Mama!
How hard does this have to be?
Mama!
Shut your mouth.
Mama, he won't leave me alone. He's hurting me, Mama! Mama! Mama!
Shut your mouth.
Mama, he's hurting me! Mama, he's hurting me! He's hurting me,
Ma'am,
Mama! He's hurting me!
stay back in there.
Mama, he's hurting
Stay back in there.
I don't know, Mama, I didn't do nothing! He just came up here.
Stay back. Stay back there. I'll explain it to you in a minute. I'll make it explain with him screaming.
I came in here and parked and he came behind me. I didn't even do nothing. And
All
then
our
he came
video.
up to my window and he grabbed me out my window, Mama. And tell him there's a camera, bro. You've seen everything, bro. Tell him about your camera,
Good.
bro.
Good. Good. I got a camera going too.
Okay, thank you.
The whole time.
Okay, thank you. Now get your handcuffs off me. I'm 17.
It doesn't work like that.
It does work like that. I don't have
doesn't.
no juvenile record. I haven't did anything.
Okay. Well, when you try and hop out of the truck,
I didn't hop out of here.
and when you act like this,
'Cause I'm
going to
mad.
put you in handcuffs. I don't care that you're mad.
Nigga, me and my girlfriend just got into it. You grab me like that. Grab me like that. Yeah. Do it. Do it. Choke me. Kill me. Kill me, mother. Kill me. Kill me. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm not choking anybody.
Yes,
He's
you are.
right. Get in my face.
I can't breathe. Stop.
Charlie 30, hold traffic.
No, I'm not doing nothing. I can't breathe. I had to get that out of my mouth.
10-6-3 at 6400 East.
Turn around.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't breathe, sir.
I can't breathe either.
I'm sorry. This is a big community. Can't see my eyes burn so bad. Mama.
Mine too, dude.
Mama, come on, please. I can't breathe, Mama. I need my inhaler, Mama. I can't breathe. It's in your room.
Stand back there, man. Okay.
I'm sorry, sir.
I'll wait for an additional officer.
Can you wash my eyes, please?
Thanks for spitting in my face, dude.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to. But this burns.
Yep, it does.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Honestly.
Charlie 30, we're in the apartment complex itself.
Do you hear me, sir? Do you hear me?
Huh?
Do you hear me? I didn't mean to speak to you.
What?
I didn't mean to speak to you.
Well, you did.
Can I rub my eyes? Can I rub my eyes? Please?
No, we're going to stay right like this.
Okay, I'm cool.
Till I get help.
I'm cool. Please, my eyes hurt, sir. My eyes hurt so bad, Mama! Here, I can't get out. I need air.
Ma'am, you need to go back. Okay.
Mama, can you put some ice on? Mama, I need water on my face ASAP. ASAP, it burns so bad. It burns so bad. It burns so bad.
Can I get water for his face?
You get water from my face too, please.
Can I get water for your
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes, run. Oh, sorry. What do I do? Can I get it off?
Man, I got it too.
I'm sorry.
You spit it back in my face.
I'm sorry. You got it in my mouth directly.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm sorry.
Did I warn you several times not to do that?
Yeah, you did. I'm sorry. I can't breathe. 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 I can't breathe
Hey, come get him.
Please, can you help me?
I got pepper spray in the face. Come on. Charlie 30 start him. You go 64.
1064, 19.